Cricket in India has a separate fan base. Today there are an estimated 1 billion cricket fans worldwide, of which 39% are female, and we see that evolution of women's cricket have accelerated much more over the years. Recently, India veteran Mithali Raj brought the curtain down on her storied career too. Like all journeys, this one too must come to an end. With these words, former India women's cricket team captain Mithali Raj announced her retirement from all forms of international cricket and called it a day. Well, this is something you already know, right? But this video is going to be all about her illustrious career and greatest achievements over her 23-year-long cricket span. Born on December 3, 1982 in Jodhpur, Rajasthan, Mithali Raj took up the sport at the age of 10. She burst onto the scene after scoring an unbeaten 114 on her ODI debut against Ireland in 1999 at the age of 16. Since then, Mithali Raj has gone on to become the all-time leading run getter in women's international cricket and has shattered many records both as a captain and batter. Let's have a glance on them. With 7,805 runs, Mithali tops the list of all-time highest run scorer in women ODI cricket. She is the first Indian batter and second overall to score 10,000 runs across all formats in women's international cricket. At the young age of 19, Mithali scored her first double century in red ball cricket, which makes her the youngest double centurion in women cricket. With 2,364 runs, she became India's highest run scorer in women's T20s too. She is also the third youngest captain in women's cricket. Mithali captained India in 155 ODIs, the highest ever by any cricketer in the history of women's cricket. What glorious achievements, right? She further added, "This journey may have ended, but another one beckons, as I would love to stay involved in the game I love and contribute to the growth of women's cricket in India and the world over." Follow Overdose now for more such amazing facts.